In this video, we will learn how to fork a GitHub repository. So I have visited the URL. So this GameCraft CLang repository is under Junior IT AI GitHub account. So I want to create a fork of this GitHub repository. Forking means cloning the GitHub repository under your own GitHub account. And that cloned GitHub repository will also contain all the original commit messages with all the project files and folders. So to do this, first click on the fork button, and then you can either change the repository name, you can also add description, but it's optional. Then after that, just changing all of those things, just click on create fork, and this will create a fork for you. So this is the GitHub repository that I have cloned. This GitHub repository is now available under my GitHub account. It contains all the original commit messages and all the files and folders.